I spy...
Harold!
Huh?
It's a fine day for flying. Skies are clear, with good visibility.
He's so cool. It must be nice to fly all over Sodor. I bet he can see the whole island from way up there.
He's so lucky he gets to be a helicopter.
Uh-oh, losing altitude.
I think his luck is running out. Harold's in trouble.
Mayday, Mayday, this is Harold. I'm losing power to my main rotor. I'm gonna have to put her down.
It looks like he's gonna crash!
We gotta save Harold. Come on, Percy. We've gotta do something.
Yeah! Let's do, something.
Hang on, Harold.
We're coming!
I could sure use a landing zone right about now.
Harold,
Oh, hi, Thomas.
you can land on my flat car.
Affirmative, Thomas.
Back a little more. Not too much. Forward. That's it. And back up a little. Yeah, right there.
Nada, engine.
Thanks, fellas. You saved my sliders.
Anything for the coolest chopper in the sky.
Looks like my rear rotor works just fine, but I've somehow lost power in my main rotor.
Oh boy, can't fly anywhere like this.
I can take you for repairs. I mean, you're already on my flat car, so...
Roger that. Wilco, Thomas and Percy.
Wilco?
Means I will comply.
Comply means you'll do what you're asked to do.
Oh, got it.
Only place I can get this rotor patched up is in Vicarstown. That's kind of far.
I've been there a gajillion times. I can absolutely get you there. I mean, it won't be fast and fun like you're used to. There are switchbacks and signal lights and sometimes mud.
Affirmative. I ride the wind, but today this helicopter is gonna ride the rails.
Roger that, Harold.
I'll go and give them a toots up, so they'll be ready to fix ya as soon as you get there.
Thank you, Percy.
Let's go. Flying is so cool. You can see everything when you're flying, right? Like everything?
Well, not everything.
I bet you can see things we've never even thought of.
Having trouble, Thomas?
Oh, hi. Yeah, I can't get up the steep hill. I think my boiler's low.
I'll push you. Hey, it's the calliope. This would be perfect for my party. Where are you taking it?
I'm taking it to the party of the island where it's needed urgently. So, can you give me a push?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Ugh.
Hey, this is where we first met, remember? Ugh, all those years ago. Ugh, I helped you up this very hill.
Phew, made it.
Oh, now this is the perfect place to hold my anniversary party.
Party? What party?
For my Sodor anniversary. It's perfect, because it's where we met.
A party sounds great, but I gotta go.
Bye, Thomas. Come back for my party tonight. Okay, next stop, decorations.
Oh, come on! Get down, stay down, stay down!
Hi, Percy. Is that airmail?
Airmail, good one, Nia. Nia? Oh, hi. I didn't expect to see you, and,
Why do you have all those purple balloons? Purple's my favorite color.
oh, they're not purple. They're dark violet?
Dark violet? Isn't that purple?
Nope, nuh-uh. No way. They're two completely different colors, for sure.
Okay. Are you taking them to a party?
Sort of. It's a gathering that needs balloons. A balloon gathering.
Oh, Percy, you are funny. Is it okay if I have one?
It would, but they're all tied up.
Well, can I take this one then?
Oh, sure. Yes, of course.
Thanks, Percy. Now, I'd better see if I can find some decorations. Will you come to my party later?
Of course I'll go. Wait, how do you know about that?
How do I know about what? My party? 'Cause I'm planning it, silly. On Steep Hill.
Steep Hill? Oh! Got to go.
Everyone is so busy. I hope they can make it. It's almost like they don't even want to come to my party tonight. Well, this perfect dark violet balloon and I will have fun, no matter what.
Ding, 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 ding. This is fantastic. It's bellerific. It's...
My favorite new thing. So, can I have it back?
Nia's always trying new sounds. Wait till she hears this.
Wait! Give me my bell back! You Percy promised! Percy! Wait! I should have known better than to give Percy a bell.
Hi, Nia!
Huh? Hey, Percy.
Look at this train-talizing bell Thomas found.
Roaring rails. That totally rocks. If I had a bell like that, I'd make up a country cowbell song. Can I try it for a teensy second?
I guess you can borrow it. But you gotta give it back right away, because I, Percy, promised to give it right back.
Toot toot, tooty toot toot, toot toot, tooty toot toot. Oh, I gotta try it in the tunnel. The echo will be out of this world.
But
I need my bell. Whew. You said you'd give it right back.
you're right. I'm sorry, but I kinda lent it to Nia.
What? Well, then we gotta go get it back from her. Nia! Wait up! Nia!
Hi, Thomas. What's the rush?
I want that bell back.
Me too! I didn't get to finish my turn playing with it.
What? It's not my fault you gave part of your turn to Nia. It's my cowbell. Can I have it back now, please?
Absolutely. Let me just pop it. Engine style.
The bell!
Oops. Sorry.
Follow that seagull!
Sparkin'! Look at this cowbell I found! More like it found me! Ha!
I'm the one who found the cowbell, and how much have I gotten to play with it?
Not at all?
Exactly! And I can't chase Diesel. He's going the opposite direction. I have to deliver this milk to Vickerstown. Terrific.
I'm sorry, Thomas! You're in my way.
Ha! Now I'm on the fast track to catch that hat! I know.
Let's catch this thing. Then I'll deliver Sir Topham Hatt his new hat.
There! Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Look out!
Where'd that bale of hay come from? And more importantly, where'd the hat go?
Over here.
Let's roll.
Hey, I've got an idea. You two pull ahead and steam it this way, and I'll catch it.
I guess we could use a plan. Let's do it!
There's the hat!
I got it.
Did I get it? did you get here so fast?
Even on the slow way, I'm faster than you.
Okay, guys, now will you listen to me? I was trying to tell Thomas that.
I got mud in my chimney.
The hat!
It's going backwards. Back it up, back it up, back it up.
This whole plan is backwards.
Now that this track is closed, let's get this line fixed. Great! I can try out my new liner later. It's faster than that. Whoa. Okay, it's not that fast. Hey, this isn't the express route.
Sorry, we're trying to catch Sir Topham Hatt's hat. He needs it for the ceremony at the Vicarstown Museum.
I see it! I see the hat! Ooh, we've got to help! Come on!
Just a little closer. Go back. I mean forward. Go forward.
Whoa! There it is. I can get it. Sandy, Carly, a little help here?
I'll use my hook. I'll use my lasso.
And I'll just jump in. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Everything's okay!
Phew, that could have been bad.
Let's take a shortcut through the dark woods.
But the dark woods are so dark. That's okay. Your ghost scaring machine has all kinds of lights on it.
Yeah! I guess it's one last adventure for the ghost scaring machine.
And this could be the biggest adventure of all. This fog is pretty spooky.
I'm not scared.
Me neither, but I do like to see where I'm going. Percy, would your radar dish help?
Absolutely! Activating! Yeah, there's something big ahead.
Like how big? Like ghost big? Ah! Ghost!
I'm pretty sure that's not a ghost.
Nia? Hey, Nia.
Hi, guys.
What are you doing?
I got turned around in the fog, and I can't see past my bumper.
And it seems like it's getting worse. We've got to find our way out of the dark woods. I don't want to miss what they found up on Lookout Mountain. Oh, I just wish we could see through the fog.
Wait, my night vision goggles can see through darkness and fog. I'll lead the way.
What do you see, Percy?
Huh? Stop!
Phew. I'm glad we didn't run full steam into that. But we need to move it somehow.
Yeah. Does your machine have a Carly in it?
No, but it does have a grappling hook.
Yes, it does. Now, if everyone can hook together and help me pull, I think we can move this.
You heard him.
Now, pull!
Wow. I mean, not bad.
Yeah, the ghost scaring machine is full of surprises.
Come on, guys. Let's get moving.
Woo! We're out.
Great. First one to Lookout Mountain wins.
All engines go.
Guys, wait! The track up there is really... muddy. All right, team. Put your axles into it. As soon as we fill Pumpkin Station...
It'll be time for hay rides.
Thomas, Annie and Clarabelle should be loaded with passengers and ready to go. Why don't you go pick them up from Knapford?
You got it. You want to come with me?
Absolutely! sound excited for the hayride.
They certainly do. They can't wait for the hayride.
See, it doesn't matter what season it is if people are having fun.
Yeah, the passengers are pretty happy. Whoa! The pumpkin station is train-tastic! Come on, let's go! This does feel as fun as a day at the beach.
Told ya! Pumpkin Station looks gorgeous.
Good job, everyone. All that's left to do now are the hayrides.
Sparking!
I wish I was pulling one of those hay carts, but since you don't need me, I guess we'll be heading back to the sheds.
If only there was something more for him to do. I know!
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Fall Festival. Let the hayrides begin.
Have fun. Enjoy all the red and gold leaves.
Oh, no. My coupler seems to be acting up. I can't tow the hayride.
Yeah! I mean, no.
Oh, no! But Gordon's coupler's fine. Oh, this is terrible. If Gordon can't tow the hayride, what will we do? Oh, those happy passengers will be so disappointed.
Never fear. Thomas can do it.
I can?
He can?
Certainly. Would you fill in for me, Thomas?
Yeah, Thomas, hook up.
Well, I wouldn't want anyone missing out on a hayride.
That's the spirit, number one.
Have a good time!
Enjoy yourself.
So, are you still missing summer?
Nope. You showed me how great fall is. Playing in the leaves, the colors, all the happy people. It's been an unbelievable day. Whoa! We did it! Nice job, Sandy and Carly.
Yeah, I can't believe that actually worked.
Stop that, Crystal! No, 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 no!
We still have a little time, right, Bulstrode?
They know you gotta leave at sunset. Where are they?
Thomas promised he'd be here. He'd never break a promise. I wonder what happened.
Get back here! Why aren't you listening?
That wise person was me.
It's headed for the water!
Almost got it! Yes!
Wow!
Phew.
Whoa!
Percy, look out!
Great. What are we gonna give Yang Bao now?
Uh-oh. It's almost sunset. Young Bao will be leaving soon.
And we don't have anything big or special for him.
When I first came here, I worried about forgetting my other home in Kenya. But lots of things make me think of it. Like the pattern on my sides, Normanby Beach, even hearing a familiar tune.
But those are just little things.
Yes, but I couldn't forget Kenya, when so many little things made me think of it.
So, maybe it doesn't need to be a big thing. It could be little memories. I've got it! To the docks, everyone! We can make up a song on the way!
Sorry, young pal. It's time to go.
I understand. Go ahead, Cranky. They didn't come. That's Thomas! I knew you wouldn't let me leave without saying goodbye.
Sandy, can you help me with my... whistle?
Whoa, I've never heard a whistle make that sound before. That is... wow, massive. But I'm on it. Try it now.
Great! I'm ready to hear my old...
Wow, this really is a more massive deal than we thought. For a job this big, I'm gonna need my extra special tools. Meet me at the sheds later?
Okay.
See you then. Go easy on that totally, completely broken whistle.
I know you want it to be fixed, but it's just a little longer, and then you can get your peep back. Come on, let's finish our mail route.
I think you should finish this delivery on your own.
But what about Percy, miss?
You feel like yourself again, and that's great. But I won't until this is fixed. Just go on without me.
Well, if that's what you want, I'll meet you back at the sheds. By that time, I'm sure Sandy will have fixed her whistle.
If she can even fix me. Otherwise, I'll never peep again. See? Percy doesn't need me. He can toot and carry the mail by himself. Troublesome trucks! Should be trouble making trucks. Uh-oh! One of the troublesome trucks is headed right for Percy! I have to warn him! He can't hear me! But with your help, maybe he will. Okay, just follow the #1 bird. Percy, stop! Thomas?
As fast as I can.
Sorry, I'm just so excited. Can I help you get done sooner?
Really? That'd be great. Can you take this big bulb over to Vickerstown Lighthouse?
No problem.
Thanks, Thomas. Switch on 1, 2, 3.
Great. I'll see you at the docks in a little bit.
Right. Oh, and don't use the shortcut through Crumble Canyon. It's supposed to be really windy and crumbly today.
Crumble Canyon. Got it.
Thanks, Thomas. I thought Percy was delivering this light bulb today.
He was. I'm just helping him out so he can meet the rest of us at the docks when the telescope gets here. That's Bulstrode. He's got the telescope. You got this, Carly?
Yes, I'll get...
Great. I've got to get to the dock.
See ya, Thomas!
I can't wait to see that telescope. I know. I'll take a shortcut through Crumble Canyon. What did Percy say about Crumble Canyon again? Something about it being windy? Whoa! And crumbly? Bubbles! Hey guys, is the telescope here yet?
Not yet. extras should be here any... Thomas, what happened?
What do you mean?
Thomas, I told you not to cut through Crumble Canyon.
So that's what you said. I knew it was something like that.
You look terrible. Like, really terrible.
Huh? Pfft, I just got a little dinged up. No biggie.
Thomas, what on earth? You have to get to Tidmouth right now.
Right now? But I want to see the new telescope.
No buts. You have to get repainted immediately. You don't want to rust, do you?
Rust? I'm so glad you came to see me. You've got a bad case of the scrapes.
Aw, can't believe I'm gonna miss Cranky unloading the new telescope.
Scratches and dings do turn to rust if you don't fix them, Thomas. And you don't want rust, Thomas. Rust is the worst. I hear it's super itchy and scratchy and really uncomfortable. Oh, it is. You should be fine, Thomas. See? Got you all fixed up with a fresh new coat of paint. Good as new.
Great. Thanks, Sandy.
It's not treasure. It's a monster.
Roar! It's got big teeth, but it's not a monster. The paleontologist says it's a dinosaur.
What's a palonapotogolist?
Palonapotogolist, Diesel.
A paleontologist is a scientist who learns about dinosaurs by digging up their bones.
I love dinosaurs. This is so cool.
Oh, yes. And even cooler, they need some engines to deliver the bones to the Vickerstown Museum for the big new dinosaur exhibit.
Sounds like a job for the Biggest Adventure Club. Yeah! Hooray!
Guys, we have to go to the mine. Right now. There's bones.
Bones?
Dinosaur bones.
Dinosaur bones?
Woohoo! Let's go.
Yeah!
Let's go!
Follow me!
How fun!
I love dinosaurs.
Me too. I'm Neosaurus. Hear me roar.
Call me the Percy Dactyl. The Conoraptor will show you how it's done.
Thomas Rex has got this.
Let's go! See? The bones are right. Oh no! Gordon, the T-Rex is gone?
Gone? Someone better tell the paleolollipopolist.
The paleontologist dug them up from there and carefully arranged them for you over here. Now, everyone pick a car, but keep them in the order they are now.
Feet, tailbone,
Ribs!
and claws, head and jaws.
For the T-Rex to be put together properly, the paleontologists put these cars in this exact order. If you get out of order...
Got it. Dinosaurs, let's dino roar!
If you kids get out of order, T-Rex won't look right. Thomas? Thomas!
Feet, tailbone,
Ribs.
and claws, head and jaws. Feet, tailbone, ribs and claws, head and jaws. Stomp and bite and swipe and roar. Feet, tailbone, ribs and claws, head and jaws.
We're winning! Oh, doesn't that feel... What?
You were winning, but now it's not ya, 'cause we got ya!
Go! Go, 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 go!
Can you put on more steam? Those guys are gaining on us!
That's right, we're gaining! Come on, pal, you're a diesel, named Diesel! You can do it!
I'm bigger and stronger any day.
Ah, bolts!
Don't worry, he may be stronger, but I'm more nimble. And that means quicker!
Thomas! That was a dangerous curves ahead sign back there!
Ha! Oldest trick in the book. Just ignore him.
It's okay. This is where being quicker comes in handy.
Did you hear that? I hope they're okay.
They're fine, but we're a million miles behind. We need to go faster.
Hold on.
Uh-oh. Diesel, you didn't loosen a wheel just now, did you?
Maybe, but it's okay. I have lots more.
Do you see them? Are they coming? Ooh, there they go! Way too fast. Come on, Diesel. I got a lug nut riding on this.
Thought you could lose me on the curves, huh?
We did lose you.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Watch this!
Go, Diesel! We're gonna win!
Huh?
Uh-oh.
Don't worry about them. That's the second oldest trick in the book.
It wasn't a trick. We're going back.
But we're almost at the finish line. Why? Why?
Diesel! Are you okay?
Yeah, but I'm gonna need a new wheel. I knew it was loose, but I didn't want to lose. Now I lost a wheel and the race, too.
We always race, but it wasn't fun this time. Why not?
Maybe it's because you were cheating.
Cheating? Me? That's ridiculous.
Diesel derailed. Looks like you owe me a lug nut.
Is this it?
Nope.
How about this?
Nope.
This one.
Thomas, that's an old bucket.
Sorry, Diesel. I just don't see any more.
Hey guys, you here to pick up recyclables for Bulstrode too? Race you to Brendam Docks, but you know I'll win.
Connor's got Rusty!
You'd better catch up to her before she makes that delivery.
Then let's quit slugging and get chugging, Thomas!
Catch you back in the sheds, Percy! Looks like Bulstrode's getting ready to leave.
Oh no! Hurry!
There you are. Told you I'd win. Hey, where's your cargo?
Connor, where are the cans?
The cans? Oh no! I dropped them off to Bulstrode, and he just left.
This just keeps happening. We'll never get Rusty back now.
I made you a Thomas promise, and I'm gonna keep it.
Hey, what's going on?
Okay, that was pretty impressive for a chimney head.
No. Got it!
My can! You found it! Oh, Rusty, I missed you. And now that you're back, everything is... that's not my can.
What? Of course it is. It's got a rusty spot, just like yours, see?
This can has a rusty spot on the bottom. My can has a rusty spot on the top. They're totally different.
How? Both rusty cans and... Diesel, wait! Diesel, wait up! I don't get it. Why is this so important to you? That can is crusty and old, kinda creaky and cold. No, it can't hold your hand, and it's not made of gold. It ain't much of a talker, and it can't sit or stand. Why do you love that rusty can?
He may be squeaky and loud, and he can't race around. But if you tell him a secret, he won't make a sound. No, he won't hug you back, but he'll stay till the end. Oh man, I love my rusty can.
Bum, 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 bum. He's a thin piece of tin.
He's a bucket of junk.
He's so icky and sticky and full of gunk.
But he means means so much more to me than I ever planned. Oh man, I love my rusty can. That's right. Oh man, I miss my rusty can.
I see why you miss your rusty can.
I'm so late. Hey, I think this could be a shortcut up here. This is great. I wonder why I've never gone this way before. Now we're back on track, and I'm not gonna miss a thing.
Nia, this is a one-way track!
Oh, James. I must have missed the sign.
They're beach balls, Nia. Bouncy, bouncy beach balls. How am I ever going to find them all?
I'm so sorry, James. I was just trying to stick to my plan.
Oh, well, accidents happen. If anyone can handle it, I'm sure I can.
Hey, look! Is that a beach ball? And Nia!
Hey, Nia, what happened? I had to go the long way, but I went the wrong way instead.
'Cause of the cows? I heard some cows caused a traffic jam at Wellsworth, and it messed up traffic all over the island.
How are your deliveries going?
1, I didn't get to see Bitsy frolicking at McCall's farm. 2, I didn't get to see the palm trees swaying at Normanby Beach. And 3, I'm gonna miss the concert in Vickerstown. Thanks to me, there's not even gonna be a sunset concert in Vickerstown.
Well, you can't do everything.
Thanks to my plan, I'm not gonna get to do anything, and nothing is gonna get delivered.
It's good to have a plan, but maybe you just tried to do too much?
That's true. I did try to do too much. So now we need a new plan, a not too much plan. But I might need your help.
Sure, tell us what to do. We're in.
Okay, Thomas, you need to get these palm trees to Normanby Beach.
But the track is still closed because of that traffic jam.
That's okay if you're up for adventure. You're gonna go by water.
Nia, Thomas may be amazing, but he can't swim.
No, but Bulstrode can.
Awesome! I can't wait to see how they look.
Kana, this piano needs to be in Vickerstown before sunset. Can you do it?
With my speed, it'll be a breeze.
And I'll take the cows to McCall's, because that's the one thing I wanted to see the most. Percy, can you find which way is the least crowded?
Can do.
Now this is a plan that's gonna work.
Those palm trees will be beautiful.
Thanks for the ride, Bulstrode.
My pleasure, Thomas.
This isn't so bad. 4 more packages to deliver. We'll be back at Tidless Sheds in no time.
Yeah. No time. Right.
Percy, we're gonna get through this together. And you can't keep an eye out for scary stuff if your eyes are closed.
Okay. Okay.
Look, there is nothing scary on these tracks. Not scary dancing tree, not scary water tower. You try.
Okay. Not scary fence, not scary moon, not scary shadow monster.
Shadow monster? Huh? Oh, that's not a shadow monster. It's just the shadow from a jack-o'-lantern.
You're right. Whoa. What was that?
Probably nothing, I think. Come on.
It's only that squeaky weather vane. Oh, it scares me every time.
Happy Halloween, Mr. Weathervane!
I wonder what got the cows so spooked. I can't see anything in all this mist.
I don't see anything. But come on, 2 more deliveries to go. Whiff's recycling, then Brandon Dogs.
Package delivered. One more job to go. Huh? Ah! It's a monster claw! Wait, actually, I don't know what it is.
That's not a monster's claw. It's a bunch of old rails.
Wow. So far, a lot of what we've seen isn't so scary close up. This is fun. I'm glad I didn't hide in my shed. Tonight was way scarier in my head.
That's Halloween for ya. Pure, get the chills, silly kind of fun.
Yeah, like that ghost train behind us. It's just, wait. Ghost train! Ah! Ghost scaring machine! Engage! Ah! Is it scaring the ghost train away?
No, it's still after us. Go, go, go! I can't see anything. He must be too far out. Cranky, can you see him?
Looking and nope, nothing.
What are we gonna do? Harold! Can you help us? He's not hearing us. Cranky, can you lift me up so he can hear? Whoa, so high. Harold! Harold! Diesel and I were playing hide and surprise, and I think he might be stuck on a barge out at sea.
Can you help us find him?
10-4. That's pilot speak for okay. Operation Find Your Friend Diesel is a go.
Thanks, Harold! Cranky, do you think you could let me down now?
No, not again. I need to get off this. If I wasn't so worried about winning the game, I wouldn't be stuck on this silly barge. Now, I'll probably never get a chance to beat anyone at anything ever again. Hey, you squawked for your friends. That might work. I can... for mine. Okay, they'll hear me. Any minute now. Any minute. Maybe I'm too far away for them to hear me? I've got to get them to see me somehow. Quiet! Was it something I tooted?
Look! Those seagulls! There's the barge! That must be where Diesel is.
It's Harold. Harold! I'm over here!
Ahoy, Diesel. Heard you could use some help. Bingo. Now for step 2.
You can start pulling anytime, Harold!
I was, but this barge is really heavy. Broken blades. We're gonna need a new approach for Operation Rescue Diesel.
But you can do something, right? I don't want to be stuck on this barge forever.
Not to worry, friend. Help is on the way.
Bulstrode!
I got it from here, Harold.